Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here's my favorite bulgur pilav recipe. I'm sure you're gonna love it if you give it a try. First, melt 50 grams of butter over medium heat. When butter melts, add 1 chopped onion and sauté until beginning to brown. Then add 2 tablespoons of currants, 1 cup of boiled, peeled and coarsely chopped chestnuts, and mix. To peel the chestnuts easily, cut a line into the skin of each chestnut and boil them. The skins should peel off easily if they have been boiled enough. Add 1 3/4 cup of bulgur and sauté for 2 minutes longer. Now, stir in 500 ml of chicken broth and salt. Close the lid and let cook on low heat until bulgur is tender and all liquid is absorbed. Turn off the heat. Place a paper towel on the pot and cover the lid again. Let the pilav rest for 10 minutes, then sprinkle with half a teaspoon of cinnamon and mix. Finally, add some chopped parsley and mix. Bulgur pilav with chestnuts is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.